The SDL6 is a professional cordless soldering iron powered by a 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery. It's small, making it ideal for multiple applications, including printed circuit boards and light automotive soldering. Unlike conventional gas-powered soldering irons, there's no naked flame, making it safer to use near fuel pipes and carburetors. Utilising the latest lithium-ion technology improves battery life and enables it to reach its maximum temperature of 510 degrees centigrade in just 25 seconds. The unit is charged and stored on its base station and is supplied with the mains charger. The Sealey SDL6 rechargeable soldering iron. Fast, compact and powerful.